Learn with Jingle Kids.
Save our planet. Ways to take care of the environment. Sia, this is your study time and you seem a little quiet today. Is there anything on your mind? Tell me, dear. What's bothering you? Nothing, Mommy. Our teacher has told us to prepare a project on the ways to take care of the environment, and I don't know anything. Can you help me, please? That's an interesting topic. Sia, remember what I always say? Big ideas start with small steps. What if we focus on what we can do right here at home? Let's start. Let's start with the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Let's learn about reuse. We used to throw these jars away, right? But now it's our jar for cookies. We reused it. And this jar we used for storing buttons and crafts. So reusing refers to using items more than once. Oh, and this is what recycling means, to drop things that we don't need into their correct bins. Yes, we have to make sure we sort out all our unwanted stuffs correctly so they can all get a new life. New life? Yes, Sia. These items are taken to the respective industries and they are converted into something reusable. And hence, these plastic bottles, metal cans, glass and every recyclable items can get a new life and help us in our day-to-day life. And you know what? By recycling items, we are also contributing in reducing trash in the world, which, if not done, can pollute earth, soil, water and air. Now let's learn about reduce. By reducing, you conserve natural resources, save energy and avoid generating waste. We can do this by actions like using both sides of paper and not wasting paper, using cloth bags, turning off the lights when not required, saving water and help the earth keep clean, saving old toys for others. Let's see some small things that we can do to save our home planet. Don't cut trees. Plant more and more trees. Use bins for trash. Keep your home and surrounding clean. Use vehicles that don't create pollution, like cycle, electric car, auto rickshaw, etc. We should also use public transport to avoid traffic. Use reusable copper or steel water bottle and avoid using plastic bottles. Bring your own coffee mugs to your workplace instead of using plastic or paper cups. Installing solar panels on our rooftops can help us save a lot of energy and money. Carry a cloth bag always when you go out for shopping. This will reduce the use and misuse of plastic bags as they are not easily degradable and can cause a lot of harm to the soil, animals, and plants. Refuse single-use items. Refusing plastic straws and disposable cutlery when you go out and bringing your own containers for leftovers are a few ways you can start today. Shop in bulk. This way you will reduce the packaging material and its cost. Make sure the waste goes into the right bin. With waste being properly disposed of, our environment is cleaner and there are lesser health risks and hazards around to affect us. This includes not having our surroundings polluted and instead ensures that our society remains as healthy as possible. Composting at home will help in reducing the use of chemical fertilizers, which is not only harmful for humans and animals but has an adverse effect on our environment too. As I mentioned earlier, reduce using personal vehicle as it adds to the pollution. The more the number of vehicles on the road, the more pollution. Instead, use cycles or public transport to commute. Do not let the tap open unnecessarily. Try rainwater harvesting. It is a method that involves the collection and storage of rainwater for further use. Usually, rainwater will be collected from rooftops and stored in tanks, and the same water can be used for n number of activities such as car washing, watering the trees and plants, mopping, washing clothes, flushing the toilet, cleaning the dishes, etc. And hence water, which is a very precious resource, can be saved and utilized wisely. Conserve energy. Switch off the lights, fan and other electronic devices when not in use. Do not litter. It is hazardous not only for humans but for innocent animals too. And remember, there is no planet B, so let's save our home planet, the Earth. Saving the planet isn't just for grown-ups in labs, it's for everyone. And it starts with what we do every day. And my project is now complete. You're so awesome, Mommy. For more such videos, join Jingle Kids India. See you in the next class. Bye bye.